Hey, Flurbird, Sanne here. So, today we're going to do something very exciting. Are you guys ready? Let's do this. The lights. Look at it. It's pretty cool. Well, I think it's cool. The blinkers are working. So left and right and also on the back. Which is very convenient. For people who are driving behind you, I guess. Okay, well, let me show you. Oh, one more thing. The brake lights. Isn't that awesome? I think it's awesome. My vehicle didn't have like material slots. That's it. I didn't have material slots for my blinkers. So I created some edge loops on the corners. Just made like new material slots. Gave them a nice name like Blinker 1. And assign. So click a face, assign it, and give it a nice color. Something yellow. The color now is just like to keep track of what is what. So don't take too much attention to it. Okay? Okay. So this is Blinker 2. And just select the face, assign, and then to the other side, select the face, assign, and there you go. That's basically it. Okay? You can do this with any vehicle you like. Just make sure you have like 2 different material slots. After importing it back into Unreal, I cleaned up a bit, and well, this is basically what we got. So we got material slots, and they have names like paint and headlight and tail light, blinker 2, blinker 1. So that's very convenient. Now for the preview, I kind of cheated by using the materials. This is the material I'm using. It's very easy. It's just a parameter for the color and a parameter for like the multiplier for the emissive. So make a material instance. If you guys want like an in-depth tutorial on how I make my very easy materials, then let me know down in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Anyway, lights off, lights on. 2 material instances. We don't have to change the color because the color is fine, but we want to change the brightness. The lightness, I called it lightness. It's just a parameter that has like a value between 1 and 100, and I think 28 is kinda shiny, and that's exactly what we want for a headlight. So now select the headlights off and plug it in there. That's it. It's really this easy. What else? Now maybe the blinkers or the tail light? Well, just copy and paste these and make the blinkers first, I think. Select this and call blinker on. I think that's fine. And now the other blinker, where did it go? Headlights off. Yes, headlights off. That will be blinker off. Blinker underscore off. There you go. So blinker on, blinker off. Blinkers must have like some kind of orangey color. So edit the material instance and then just pick a nice color, something you like for a blinker. I think I'll go with this orange, and the lightness must be a little bit less than, or a lot less than the headlights, because blinkers aren't headlights. They are made to blink, not to be shiny like hell. Copy and paste the color. Why doesn't this work? Maybe because I misclicked somewhere. So on the color, copy, and then paste. There you go. Save it. This one, that's cool. Save it. And then we want to like select the blinker off, I think. Oh, yeah, I forgot. There's a blinker low and a blinker high because because of the American thing, the American lighting system. I have no idea. We don't have blinker low in my country. We only have blinker on. But yeah, it's necessary to have like a blinker low and a blinker high, and it will be obvious like in a few seconds. So first off, we gotta know which one is which, or do we? Well, we basically want the blinker off to go into this slot and this slot. And now, what do we do? Oh, it looks kind of cool. And on the back as well, it looks pretty nice. So let's make another material instance and call it till light. Get till light off. Put an underscore between them because space won't work. Till light off, copy it, and it will be till light on. What? Oh yeah, first just change the color, because then you don't have to copy and paste it. Kind of makes sense, doesn't it? So red, full red, no blue, no other colors, because till light should be full red in my opinion. And the lightness, maybe a bit, or maybe not. No, just leave it at 0, because this is off, so off should be like really off, and then we want to have something that can go on to be like really on. So copy this, call it till light on, move the lightness to something reasonable, something that looks like a glowing till light. Okay, now we want to have the till light off into the element 4. That's the till light with the name till light. So we got headlight, we got till light, we got blinker 1 and blinker 2. And I was thinking, we must know which one is which. Like blinker 2, that's right, and blinker 1 is left. Okay? So that's really easy. Just put this back. Oh, wait. Just put this back there, and that's it. Now edit the blueprint. So in my case, it's the vehicle ugly car blueprint, and go to the viewport. That's just for, I don't know, for the looks of it, and then select the ugly car itself. And there's like the demo config light section, and the headlights on. You must well, let's yeet this like to the side. Come on, yeet, yes, and add this to like the other side. Now we can just select things, and tail lights high, tail lights. I knew this because of like the blinker lights. I should have a tail lights high and a tail lights low, as well as the blinker high and low. Anyway, I will create a tail light low and a tail light high. Tail light high. Okay, save all. And the tail light high we will make like slightly brighter than the low, I think. So that's just like the brake light, basically. So, tail light low, put it in. Tail light high, we put that there, yes. And then the blinker. Blinker high. Into the blinker high, the blinker low, into the blinker low. And that's basically it. That's how it works. Really. Let me get like rid of this stuff and then hit play. Maybe full screen. Yep. So this is the vehicle. We got like shiny backlights, tail lights. We got shiny indicator lights. And when we get into the vehicle and we press H, the light will be shining. And if you use, I think, the bracket keys, the indicators will work, the brake light works. I think this is it. If you like this video, hit a thumbs up. If you didn't like, hit a thumbs down and leave a comment why you didn't like it. This is Fleurbert, out. Bye!